Today's video is about the Walabot. I did a video a number of years ago about how to find a stud finder on your phone for free. That was very popular. But today's video on the Walabot is going to be many times more popular because this thing is fantastic. This is the Walabot. It's an electronic device. And let me tell you what makes this so special. Walabot is a company that's not just making tools for DIY home improvement. This is an imaging company that first started with their technology for breast cancer detection. That's pretty important. And it later went into automobile vision and radar. And this is a product they brought into the DIY market that's just fabulous, just taking the world by storm. And so if you're a new homeowner, or if you're a person who always looking to hang something on the walls, like a wall mount heavy TV or one of your favorite musical instruments, you got to know where your studs are. You want to know where the pipes are. You know where the wires are so you don't accidentally go into the wrong stuff. Get you the Walabot DIY 2. So Walabot contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review this product. It just so happens I was building a set of cabinets, lowers and uppers with a big walnut countertop, and we needed to hang the cabinets and put the lowers on the wall and hang the uppers. This was a perfect product to be able to test to find the studs for hanging the product. So let me show you the video of how we use this product. So we've installed the app on Philip's phone, and now we're going to calibrate, and Philip's going to show you what we do to calibrate it. You just put it on the wall, and it'll tell you to go around in a circle, and we do that. You calibrate each time because it wants to read each wall because it's a unique situation, and now we're complete on the calibration, and then we say we're ready to scan, and we're going to start scanning. And so here's what's going to happen on here. So there's a stud right there, and we're going to slide over a little bit. There's another one. There's a stud right there. So we're going to mark these for the purpose of putting in our lower cabinets. We have these two lower cabinets that we're going to be installing, and we want to be able to find the studs to screw those guys into the back wall. So we're going to use our Walabot to do that. So Phillips is underneath the cabinet here, and we have this blue tape we've set aside for marking our studs.
That's some wire.
And so he's scanning on the wall with that, and now he has down here the actual Walabot showing where the stud is, and he's putting tape over here exactly where that is. So he's scanning again. And there's a stud right there. Just going to center it and then put a piece of tape right above that. And that's got our second stud. And then we're going to see if we have any more in the capacity. So we've gone past where the other stud is. So it's showing actually a wire in there, which is good to know. We're not going to be screwing into that. So we have two studs for this cabinet to screw in. So we have some upper cabinets that we're going to do. So why don't you stand up, Phil, and then we're going to do the upper ones.
All right, so it's
So he's going to start scanning over here, and there's the stud. So hang on, let me mark it.
Exactly that one right.
All right, about right there. All right, there we go.
Here, come on. Pipe and wire. And
Right there.
hold on, it's getting right there's the center. Perfect. And another one here. There we go. Oh, it's fast. Right there.
The reason we're marking this upper is because we're going to have a cabinet that's going to go all the way across from this side over here to there, and we're going to have to screw it into the wall as well. And I'm going to hold the Walabot, and he's going to scan whenever we get to scan. Oh, there's one right there.
Right there, show me.
So we're going to be centered there. And so we know that that's going to be left of the lights socket down there. So we're going to keep going. There's one right there.
Got it.
And we're going to put a piece of tape there for us to mark that one. And then we're going to see if we have one more.
I bet it moves all the way to there we go. I got one.
And we'll put a piece of tape on that last one.
Perfect.
Position where we're going to screw into the wall, we drew some vertical lines that allow us to screw into our nailers inside of our cabinet. And so our cabinet here, we've got a top, a middle, and a bottom nailer to screw this into the wall. Yeah, I can go as far in as you can, and then that'll do it.
All right. There we go.
Okay, now we got the holes drilled. We're going to put in our cabinet screws. They're going to hold this to the wall. So we have 3 nailers. We're putting 1 screw in each of the nailers.
Feel that tighten up nicely. You know that it's on one.
If you're excited about this product and you have studs you want to detect in the walls and you want to look at this product, I'm going to put a link for you below, direct link to go to Walabot to purchase this product. In addition, I'll have a link to Amazon. Be sure and check the Walabot link first because it may be at a greater discount than what you can get on Amazon. They run specials from time to time, so be sure and check that out. So remember, get your Walabot DIY 2 for detecting studs in your wall to hang whatever you want to hang.
Thanks Walabot for making the project easy. We saw the wood through the walls, pipes, wires, everything we needed.
So if you liked our video on the Walabot DIY 2, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you want to see some more of our tips and tricks and home improvements, be sure and subscribe down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon.